Welcome to Shakthi River Resort. The moment you drive in through this grand entrance arch, you already know you're about to experience something special. This resort is spread across 5 acres of lush greenery right next to the beautiful Alia River. Here is the reception area. Warm smiles, super welcoming staff, and they make the check-in process quick and easy. Watch till the end, I've got a special discount code for you. Now let's check out their suite room. You enter into a living area with sofa and TV. Then comes the bedroom, spacious, well lit and beautifully maintained, with all the amenities you needed. There is also a private balcony that opens up to this stunning view of the river and endless greenery. It's peaceful, it's private, and it's designed for total comfort, whether you're here as a couple or a small family. If you prefer something more simple, they also have a non-AC rooms. These are neat, spacious and equipped with all the basic amenities you need. The small balcony gives you a perfect little corner to enjoy your morning coffee. Even without AC, the natural surroundings keeps the room cool most of the time. Now here's something families will love, the AC rooms with river view balconies. There are 4 of these cottages. Balcony with a beautiful river view. The coolest part is you can interconnect them just by opening a door. So if you're coming as a group or a family, you can open the connecting door between 2 rooms and move freely between them. When you want privacy, you can just close it off. It's such a thoughtful and practical idea. Every room gives you that same peaceful river view from the balcony. The corridor areas between the rooms are large and open. It's a great place for kids to play around. Now, this is one of the most unique spots inside the resort, the Rock and River AC Bar, open from 11 am to 11 pm. This place has a complete different mood. It's themed like a cave, dark and stylish. You can grab a drink, listen to some good music and relax. They have indoor games like carom, badminton and more. These are something you don't usually see. Bunker cottages. They are inspired by actual bunkers used during the Second World War, designed for military generals to rest while traveling. Each cottage is shaped like a bunker box, air-conditioned and perfect for 2 people. Inside it's cozy and minimal with everything you need. Outside, you get a pool view. Now, get ready for the showstopper, their pool villa. The moment you walk in, you'll be amazed by how spacious and beautiful designed the hall is. Elegant furniture, soft lighting, and a calm ambience. There is your private pool with a fountain, the perfect spot to relax, chill, and just disconnect. Villa also comes with a kitchen with all the utensils you need. Upstairs, and this part is pure magic. The bedroom upstairs is beautifully crafted with warm tones, soft lights, and large windows that let in the morning sun. The bed is super comfortable, and the whole space gives you of a luxury yet homely vibe. Step out to the balcony and you will be greeted with one of the most stunning views you could ask for. The river flowing gently, greenery all around, and complete silence except for the sound of nature. It's the kind of place you'd want to sit for hours with your loved one, maybe a cup of tea, and just take in the moment. Next, we have Arjun Arangam, an open ground space perfect for small functions, gatherings, or even family celebrations. Beside that is Indus Valley, the outdoor dining area with a beautiful river view. You can even access the river directly from here. They also have a small waterfall area where you can actually play and spend time. It's safe and refreshing, and yes, outsiders can also access it with a small charge. I'll drop all the details about the entry and pricing in. For big celebration, there's a large ground that can accommodate around 300 guests. The river truly is the main highlight here. It adds magic to every view. The campfire area, you can enjoy dinner, drinks, and some good music by the river. Just inform the staff in advance and they'll set it up beautifully for you. Another medium-sized hall which can be used either as a dining area or for small private functions. Mini conference hall for the business travelers. And finally, the restaurant. They serve a complimentary breakfast. For lunch and dinner, they offer both buffet and a la carte with a great mix of veg and non-veg dishes. Everything is freshly prepared and flavors really stand out. So that's the complete tour of Shakthi River Resort, a perfect blend of nature, comfort, and creativity right besides the Alia River. Don't forget to check the description for the discount code and booking link. Subscribe for more beautiful resort tours and honest travel stories.